how much of what you build is actually working the way you think. We rely on abstractions every day. Type erasure, compilers, frameworks, even AI assistants. But the surface simplicity often masks deeper complexity. Today we're peeling back the layers from C++ type erasure to Swift compiler optimizations, React Native threading, a VSCode security hole, the truth about AI coding productivity, and finally peering inside an LLM's black box. Each story reveals something about what's really happening under the hood. This idea of hiding complexity starts with type erasure. A new post walks through building a minimal STD, any from first principles, starting with classic polymorphism via virtual interfaces and template-based generic code. It shows how type erasure hides concrete types behind a uniform wrapper, letting unrelated objects be handled uniformly. But the key insight is that this isn't magic. It's a mechanical pattern you can trace which sets up the tension for everything else we're covering today. That same pressure to manage complexity shows up in the Swift compiler. A new disjunction selection heuristic dramatically reduces the time the compiler spends solving complex type constraints. By pruning dead-end paths early, the solver can now handle expressions that previously timed out, speeding up builds for real-world code. It's a clever optimization that cuts through the noise, exactly the kind of under-the-hood work that makes our abstractions actually usable. Now the same principle moves up to the framework level. React Native Runtimes adds support for multiple name JavaScript runtimes, letting components and functions run on secondary threads while the main UI thread stays free. It ships two libraries, one for runtime composition, another for synchronized native backstate, enabling smoother lists, chat sync, and crypto workloads. This is another layer of abstraction designed to keep the user interface responsive, but it also adds complexity under the hood. But abstraction can also create security holes. A new vulnerability in VSCode's Webview security model enables an attacker to steal a user's GitHub OAuth token with a single malicious link. The flaw stems from keyboard event bubbling between isolated web views and the main window. Amar Askar's blog details the exploit and mitigation steps, a stark reminder that the layers we trust can be exploited if we don't understand their boundaries. And now the biggest abstraction of all, AI coding assistants. A new ACMQ analysis and a 2025 Microsoft study show developers spend only about 14% of their day actually writing code. That undermines claims that AI coding assistants can massively boost productivity, because the bottleneck isn't just typing code. The research also warns that AI-generated code often requires extensive debugging, so real gains need broader workflow integration. The promise of a magic productivity boost is an illusion. The real work is in understanding the whole process. Finally, we peer inside the black box itself. Recent breakthroughs in mechanistic interpretability let researchers decompose large language model activations into human-readable concepts, revealing multi-step causal reasoning pathways. By tracing sparse feature circuits, teams can map internal logic, paving the way for safer steering and deeper algorithmic insights. This is the ultimate peeling back of abstraction, showing that even the most complex AI systems have understandable mechanics beneath the surface. So what does all this add up to? Every abstraction we lean on, whether it's a uniform wrapper, a compiler heuristic, a multi-threaded runtime, or an AI assistant, has its own mechanics, trade-offs, and hidden risks. The takeaway? Don't take these layers for granted. Understanding what's beneath them is what separates a good developer from a great one. And that's exactly what we'll keep exploring.